You must have received PhonePe gift card or coupon. So how to redeem coupon code in PhonePe? How to add gift card in PhonePe? Open PhonePe app, and if you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. Click on my profile icon at the top left. Scroll down a bit and you'll see PhonePe gift card. Click on it. You already have your PhonePe gift card number and PIN. So copy PhonePe gift card number first. Go back to the PhonePe app and click on Claim Now. Paste the gift card number here and then copy the PIN. Go back to the app, paste the PIN, and click on Confirm. Now it shows a confirmation that the balance has been added. If it was helpful, like and subscribe.